Hey everybody, Smitty here. Fix my mic a little. There you go. Gonna keep it like this. If it's too loud, I'll turn the volume of it down. Somebody forgot these coins.
Why are you
Ooh, cheap. Soda pet. Oh, fucking shit. Oh, what happened to this guy? Like for the money. Oh, I see what happened to this guy. He was drinking wine. Then this guy came up and bashed his head into the table. Well, bap, bap, bap. And then he knocked over his wallet. And then he smoked some cigarettes and then he died. Dying saying, "You bastards!" I don't drink. I don't drink champagne. It makes my stomach hurt.
You'll find that handy in a pinch.
The difference between life and death.
You'll find the going tough enough without squandering your friends.
Or your ammunition.
Or my ammunition. Adds a magnetic repulse field to improve defense.
You
Surprising
missed.
that it worked.
Surprising that it didn't kill him.
But a magnetic repulsor field around
Coffee. I love coffee. Coffee, coffee.
Doesn't kill him.
It's like cocaine, but you get to keep all your teeth. Somebody did a half-assed job of mounting this. You're supposed to only mount the head. God damn, we gotta fire the fucking new guy now. Hello? Some wine? I don't care for. Gotta think. Alright, let's go. Soda pap. Searching some barrels. Cornflakes. Coffee. That's like what I call my breakfast. Cornflakes and coffee. Some apples, a basket. God damn it, Susie. Fucking dropping all your goddamn baskets.
Biograph, me. The man pays for exactly 100 pages in advance. Now, I'm half a Jew when I smell silver, so I say, Father, your flock would pay for 1,000. You know, why settle for less?
Ooh.
The
Some
prophet
canned beans, some ammo.
looks to me.
Machine gun ammo. My hand's on fire.
100 will suffice.
God, I need some SPF like 5 million. What the fuck? Okay. Extreme parkour time.
Whoa! Damn hook must be magnetized.
That's what I said. Yo. Just does nothing for me. Well, actually gives me a new gun. I'm gonna stick to the pistol though. Oh shit, I shot it. If I see an enemy, I need to shoot him. Oh, I have fire. Let's execute you. You don't deserve to fucking live anymore. This does absolutely 0 damage. File assaults. Oh god, the lag. Thank God for revisions though. Thank God for fire. Ya da 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 ba da da dum. Story time while I shoot random people for no reason. Alright, so today was a good day because I ate 2 hamburgers and then chopped off this guy's face. Should I take this way or this way? This way! None. Who carries none on a barge? With my shield recharge.
He disappeared!
Okay. That just happened. Hello, Santa? Oh, what a fucking lame-ass chimney. Like, you don't even want to light a fire there. You just die. Some money. My hand's on fire. Salt. Delicious. Take this.
Locked.
Where? Find a key that fits.
Otis works up at the lodge part-time.
Part-time,
Took this
man.
box from one of their
God damn it,
secret
Otis.
ceremonies.
Fucking stealing all the
And
boxes.
I know
What a
for
piece of
sure
shit.
there is something dear inside.
Toilet, I don't
Otis
need
is
to
more
use
fool than
lube.
not. He didn't bother to also secure a key from the Feathered Brothers
Ooh.
to open the damn thing.
Hey, bruh. Take the silver. Forgot to start my timer. Fuck. Alright, I guess this was completely useless. I can make that. Did I just break my fucking legs? What the fuck is that kind of bullshit? Okay, I want to be right back, people. I had to poop. Okay, I'm back. After taking a shower, I realized there's heavy breathing into the mic, like, whoosh noise. Please try not to mind it. This is just a headset. I really have no control over what it does. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. My god, what a beautiful ass game. Wonder. What does that say? You know where we need to go? The big ass rock candy mountain. I'm pretty sure this place exists. Desert. The billionaire, the skipper too, the movie star, and his wife are here on Gilligan Island. Oh, these guys. They take their coffee black, I guess.
Keep your voice down.
As the saying goes. Turn on your sink. Yep, see, box pop you. Da 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 da. Hello, friend. What bug is this? Manners. Sorry for the breathing noises. I have to breathe, people. Jay. Take these 5 silver eagles. I don't smoke, but... Ooh. Salt. Salt, salt, salt. You're now my friend. And you're now... dead. This happens to people who betray my trust. Da 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 da. So simple yet efficient. And that has to be one hell of a way to break your tank. I love this machine, man. I really... Come at me, bro. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. What the shit? I already took a shower in water. I don't want to take a bath in fire. Explosions, explosions, my favorite thing to see. Explosions, explosions, they make me wanna be. Explosions, explosions, they make me wanna sing. Explosions and bullets, they make me sing. Bioshock, kick. Look at her. Excuse me, I'm trying to be happy here. Everybody is happy. Sha-la-la. Oh, you wanna kill, bro? Oh man, I forgot to start the clock. Alright, good enough. No, stop. I'm supposed to stop when I need to. When I feel like I need to. It's a good time to restart recording. I have enough time in the world. What the fuck is this shit? I want some goddamn ice water. Or water ice. Oh, there's some. You can yours here. He's so adorable. Oh, look at this place. This place is wunderbar. Pistola, file. The billionaire, the skipper, Oh, fucking Tommy forgot to hang up his last suit. God damn it, Tommy. Now I'm gonna have to go to his house and kick his ass again. Fuck you, crows. Wait, crow! Da da da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Happy if you know, shoot your friends. If you're happy and you know it, kill this guy. If you're happy, no, go to the guy. If you're happy and you know it, go jump on the skyline. So you can easily show it. Play the audio log. Yes.
When the Angel Columbia gave unto the founders the tools to build a new Eden, they did so without hesitation. 85 years they prepared the way of the Lord.
Gotta love Roscoe Repeater. I think it's called like the FF, the triple F. I don't really care. See, everyone has the same goddamn.
The only emancipation he had to offer.
That's disgusting. Zachary Hillconsock. Wait, Abraham Lincoln was a bad guy. He's a good guy. He's a good guy. He's like Abraham Lincoln. Like I jump me out of his head, and you're like, oh no. They worship John Wilkes Booth, also known as the Crow. Hey guys, nice seminar. Books. You guys take out a fucking stick to fight me. I want more than that. Show me a little respect and give me a fucking fight. See, this is easy. I do this in my sleep. I really just do this in my sleep. I record videos in my sleep if you didn't know that. That's the, see that guy? He was being polite. Oh, you wanna go, bro? Fucking, you did not expect me to be a badass. You know, like, everyone's like, oh, the false prophet, what a weakling. And I say, hey, I'm the false prophet. I kick the ass. I put the ass kick. Always go for salt. The more you can cast, the better. Gotta go back now. The movie star. The skipper to the moon. Oh my god. These guys actually have faces? I did not know this. I'm so sorry I shot your face a million bits. You took that the full fucking face. Full for a headshot. I swear to god, any one of these guys. The murder brawl. Just skipper do. I don't know why, but I'm in a singing mood. Dude, he yelled like a fucking woman. The skipper do. The kitty cats. Mew 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 mew. And I love this. Fuck you, Comstock. Fucking Asian people. I don't know why. Whoop. You skipper too. Say good night to you. Full of body and Decolati. La la la. His nose was already bleeding, so. I saved him some pain. Sup? I don't care. I don't need no charity. But it'd be much appreciated. I'm not gonna look at these legs, like in the scopes. Well, maybe it opens up. Dun, dun, dun. No. I don't know what people have against this fucking pistol. I've killed more people with the pistol in this whole game than the fucking machine gun and shotgun combined. Some people are like, you're lying. Fucking noob. But I'm not lying. If I was lying, I'd be a part cat. I really need to get to a point where I can stop. It's like doing drugs. Kobe! Shaquille O'Neal. I had the hops like Shaquille O'Neal. Shaquille O'Neal! Where's that one guy? Hello? Good girl. Good girl. That makes me sick now. Drip, drip, drip. Drip, drip, drip. Woo! Infusion, fucking small health kit, and salt. Always go for the salts. If you want to shoot more, always go for the salts. Health isn't really a problem, but as soon as you upgrade salts all the way, I really recommend upgrading shield, or at least getting, if you have really high health, get something get a gear to help your shield. Oh no. Lag spikes. Lag spikes. Shit's going down. I'm glad I got that inclusion. Makes me happy. If you're happy and you knew it, shoot some Tommies. If you're happy and you know it, shoot some fucking Tommies. If you're happy and you know it, shoot some mommies. Alright, enough singing. Let's go. 360! Yeah. You don't know me. The sword. Defense, wisdom, faith, discovery. Where's the eye? The Koreans. The Mexicans. Hey, there's a monk. I didn't shoot him because he was a monk. I shot him because, shut up. Shut up. My hands on fire. Watch this. These crows are fucking magic. Crow. Boop. He presses buttons like a fucking boss. He's just like so violent. Want a go button? You don't know me. Amuda Patra Nostrum Defender. Defend our race or some shit. Is it really worth the money? No, not really. This is what I'm gonna do. Ooh, not so obvious secret. Ooh. Oh, how did I know? Only pants I get. Provisions. Fuck you, bird. Bird. Berg is the word. Give me that whiskey. These birds poop gold. They poop gold. Here's something for you guys to listen to.
Sweet Mother of Columbia, why do we worship three symbols in your memory? We worship the sword, so that we might avenge you. We worship the raven, so that we might cover the city with eyes. We worship the coffin, because it symbolizes the weight of our faith.
What a dick. You okay, buddy? We can just get you some aspirin. You'll be okay. You want me to give you your stick? You okay? Yeah. See you later, buddy. Yeah, shoulder fronts. You made the worst mistake of your life, friend. Worst mistake.
What's this?
Oh my god.
New kind of vigor?
Bigger please? Oh, are you kidding me? Restart last checkpoint. This is some baby back bullshit. They had my scent. If I didn't get to the girl soon, the whole job was scotched. Just like my whiskey. Landmines, you say? I'm gonna start using murder because I heard it's pretty good. I never use it because I don't really think it's useful. Here we go. Pavlov's, or I think Parlo. Oh my god, I'm turning into Hulk. Oh, oh, see, bird. I am Bird Hulk.
Press to summon.
No. Yes. Da 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 da. Okay, who knew? Maybe this vigor isn't that bad. Not sure so. Where's Dayton? The deadly wonders.
The false shepherd, this anarchist, is
I
either
can get to Monument Island from that station.
a man with a missing left eye, no more than 4 foot and 9 inches.
Oop. 4 foot 9 inches. I'm a midget? Oh wait, am I a leprechaun? Ooh, this is a nice little house. First. Fruit. Birdman! Birdman attack! This is another secret in the game. I don't really think it is a secret. That... Okay. I've seen enough. She had a parent. She had a kid. Not too bad. He's an orphan now. I'm an evil jackass. Evil ass of Jack. What is this room like fucking for? I just came here to ruin a family. You know what happens when you ruin a family, right? The kid, like, you killed my parents. I'd be like, I don't even know you. And he's like, oh, I'll swear to your death. I'm like, okay. Good. Good. Good.
Any last words?
Yeah, what are yours? Last words, they're the most important thing in the universe. Oh, finally, somewhere to end this goddamn episode. Second. Seeing as I enter this room, I'll stop the video. Yeah. Like, favorite, subscribe, unsubscribe. Yeah. You know. A whole steak. I bet this video is gonna be like fucking ooh burp.